Hello, this is a tutorial video of my workflow. First, I am going to start with my data management structure. This is the backup system I'm going to be using currently and in the future to keep backup files of my pictures just in case my computer suddenly crashes down or I lose the pictures. I know I have them on several drives. First, I import them onto my computer where they go onto my Lightroom catalog and time machine to get backed up. After that, I import them onto backup drive 1. Here I import both raw and edited pictures. Then on separate drives I import my raw pictures on backup drive 2 and my edited pictures on backup drive 3. Next, I'm going to talk about my folder structure naming convention. What I have done is that I have made a folder named Algonquin, and under that my school images. Then under school images, for each course I have a folder, and under each course I have the pictures under their assignments. Now, what I have chosen to do for my naming convention is that I name them according to assignment number _ assignment name. So this assignment was assignment number 2 and it was exposure guide. So the name would be 02 _ exposure guide under the right course, of course. Okay, next I'm going to talk about my copyright metadata preset and import preset. So what I've done here is when I want to import pictures, instead of having to fill in all this information all over again, I've just made my own importing preset, which I've called digital import. I just press on it and it automatically puts in my copyright under the details I have chosen. That way I can save myself a lot of time once importing lots of pictures. Now I am going to talk about my rating system, my stars, flags, and labels. What I have done here is I have made a diagram of my strategy. First, I import the pictures onto my computer, of course. From my computer, the ones that I don't want get deleted and they have a black flag, and the ones I do want have a white flag and they get sorted. They go through several stages. First, they are under the red label. That is after I have added the metadata, copyright, and under the import preset. Next, once they are renamed and organized, they go to yellow label. After that, once the ones that need editing get edited, they go to green label. After that, they go to purple. This means I have to add the star rating system. Now, I go to my star rating system. It goes a little like this. The ones that are for Lightroom and aren't going any further than that only have 1 star. The ones that are for clients have 2 stars. The ones that are for schoolwork or assignments have 3 stars. 4 stars are for my own personal use, and 5 stars are my best pictures. These ones are the ones that might get uploaded to Facebook, Flickr, or might go onto my portfolio. After I've done with the star system, they become blue. I change the label to blue. This means they are all done and are organized. Now, as you can see, my pictures are all blue because I have already organized them and added the metadata and renamed them and fixed them up. So I don't have to do anything with them. And they all have flags because they were all for keeping. The ones I didn't want, I already deleted. And they all have 3 stars because they are all for school. Now I am going to talk about my collection and smart collection and keywording strategy. My collection strategy is that I have several pictures under the same category but in different folders. For example, one collection that I have done is nature. I have nature pictures that are in folders that I want, so I made a collection of them. Whenever I want those pictures, instead of having to go through each folder to find them, I just simply go to my nature collection. And what the collection does is that it kind of makes a virtual copy of those images, but it doesn't actually move them from their folders. Now, a smart collection I have is blue. What this does is it's kind of just organizing them under a certain label or rating you have chosen. Since most of my pictures are all done with and they are blue, I have chosen to make a smart collection blue. So if I have imported pictures that still need editing or otherwise and I want to go to my finished pictures, I just go to my smart collection. Now, the keywording strategy I have used is that most of my pictures are for assignments. So Once I want to go to my assignment pictures, I go to my keywording assignment. What this does is that if there are many pictures that are kind of for the same subject, you can take that as a keyword and put it for your pictures. Now, this is my workflow and the strategy I have chosen to use, which saves me time and always keeps me organized. No matter what a task or assignment I have, or if I have to upload several pictures, I know I can always be organized and prepared. Thank you.